Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how we like to trellis our peas. So here's a clip from the show. Okay, so it is time to trellis the peas. So let me explain what we did. So first we put the posts up and got the easy trellis from down low to up high. And that we just do that by changing out how long our legs are. And next I went and got my netting. This is the same netting that we used last year. And we stretched it out. We have the orange strings that are going across to support the netting. So we got 4 in the center here, and then we got 1 wrapped around this post here. And then these are clipped down here to the plant. So you just have a clip here with the string in it, the netting, and then you just clip it to whichever plant you want. It doesn't really matter. It's going to be a big old rat's nest as we go along anyways. Let me find another clip for that one. So the reason that we clip it at the bottom is just to keep the netting down. The pea trellis, the pea tendrils can grab a hold of it, and it keeps the wind from blowing it around and stuff like that. So it just anchors it a little bit. Doesn't have to be on a specific plant or anything. This whole mass is just going to go straight up. It'll probably be up in here in height, and that's going to work really, really well. If you are outside in the wind, you want to go ahead and tie a string to here and tether back for the post so that the wind is not blowing the whole thing over. Because as the peas come up, it's going to be heavy. It's going to be a lot of mass here. If the wind hits it, it could take the whole thing over. So just tie it down and you should be fine. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 8, Week 7. And if you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. For those of you that don't know what the High Performance Garden Show is, this is your gateway to learning how to create those amazing gardens that you wish you had. We'll show you how to create an easy, fun, productive, and organic garden. We follow a high-performance garden for 33 weeks from the seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. This tiny 128 square foot garden produces over 800 pounds of food worth over $2,500 in one season with only a 15-minute a day commitment, and all the weeds from this garden fit into 1 pint jar. This show is a demonstration of the type of garden you can grow with a high-performance garden education. So if you are tired of blisters, backache, sweat, and tears, and you want your garden to be easy, fun, productive, and organic, then this is the garden education for you. The show is free, it's online, and you can watch it anytime. There are 7 seasons, that's over 230 episodes to watch. I have people who binge watch the show and say it's better than those popular streaming channels. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show to sign up or click on the link below. So please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of the high performance garden nuggets. Oh, and by the way, your friends might want to have an easy, fun, productive, and organic garden too, so please share the show with them. They will be thanking you later. This is all for today. Thank you for joining me, and may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.